Section 1. A fresh start. Why reload your Windows? Imagine your computer is like a house. Over time it gets cluttered with old files, apps you don't use anymore, and maybe even some digital dust bunnies. This clutter can slow things down and cause problems. Reloading your Windows operating system is like giving your house a thorough cleaning. It wipes away all the clutter and gives you a fresh start. A reload can make your computer faster and more responsive. It can also solve persistent problems like crashes or errors. Think of it as a way to hit the reset button and get your computer running smoothly again. It's like trading in an old sluggish car for a brand new model. But before you start, it's important to back up all your important files. This includes documents, photos, music, and anything else you don't want to lose. Think of it as packing your valuables before the cleaners arrive. Once you've backed up your data, you're ready to begin the reloading process. Reloading your Windows might seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you think. This guide will walk you through each step, using simple language that anyone can understand. So, let's get started on the path to a cleaner, faster, and more reliable computer. Safeguarding your treasures, backing up your data. Before reloading Windows, back up your important files. It's like locking up your jewels before cleaning. Don't lose precious photos, documents, or music. Use an external hard drive or cloud storage. External drives are portable file cabinets. Cloud services are digital safety deposit boxes. Connect the drive and copy files using File Explorer. Cloud apps sync files automatically. Back up everything you care about. Once complete, proceed with Windows Reload. Section 3. Creating your Windows 10 Key, the installation media. Now that your data is safe and sound, it's time to create a Windows 10 installation media. Think of this as the key that unlocks the door to a fresh Windows installation. You'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage space. Make sure it's empty, as the process will erase everything on it. To create the installation media, you'll need another computer with an internet connection. Visit the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. There you'll find a tool that will help you create the installation media. Download and run the tool. It will guide you through the process, step by step. The tool will ask you to select the Windows 10 edition you want to install, the language, and whether you want the 32-bit or 64-bit version. Choose the options that match your current Windows installation. Once you've made your selections, the tool will download the necessary files and create the installation media on your USB drive. This process might take a while depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll have a bootable USB drive that you can use to install Windows 10 on your computer. Congratulations, you've just created your very own Windows 10 installation key. Section 4. The USB takeover. Booting from your installation drive. With your trusty installation media in hand, it's time to tell your computer to use it instead of your regular hard drive. This is called booting from the USB drive. Imagine it's like switching the starting line for your computer so it knows where to find the instructions for its next task. First, plug the USB drive into your computer. Now, restart your computer. As it's starting up, you'll need to press a special key to enter the boot menu. This key is usually F2, F12, Dell, or SC, but it might be different for your computer. Look for a message on the screen during startup that tells you which key to press. The message might say something like press F12 for boot menu or press Dell to enter setup. Once you've pressed the correct key, you'll enter the boot menu. The boot menu shows you a list of all the devices your computer can start from. Use the arrow keys to select your USB drive. It might be listed as USB HDD or something similar. Once you've selected the USB drive, press Enter. Your computer will now start loading files from the USB drive. You're one step closer to a fresh Windows installation. Section 5. Installing Windows 10, a step-by-step guide. Now, the real action begins. After booting from your USB drive, you'll see the Windows 10 setup screen. It's like the welcome mat for your new operating system. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Select your language, time, currency format, and keyboard layout. Click Install Now to proceed. Enter your Windows 10 product key or skip if you don't have one. Choose where to install Windows. You'll see a list of partitions on your hard drive. Delete existing partitions for a clean installation. Warning: this will erase everything on those partitions. Create a new partition and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will start copying files from the USB drive. Your computer might restart several times. This is normal. Section 6, welcome to your new Windows initial setup. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 10. Your computer will now restart and take you through the initial setup process. This is where you personalize your Windows experience and set up your user account. First, you'll be asked to select your region and language settings. Then, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or plug in an Ethernet cable to get your computer online. This will allow Windows to download the latest updates and drivers. Next, you'll create your user account. You can choose to sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account. Signing in with your Microsoft account allows you to sync your settings and files across multiple devices. If you choose to create a local account, you'll need to create a username and password. Windows will then ask you to choose your privacy settings. This includes options for location tracking, personalized ads, and diagnostic data collection. Review the options carefully and choose the settings that you're comfortable with. Finally, you'll be asked to set up Cortana, Microsoft's virtual assistant. You can choose to enable or disable Cortana based on your preference. That's it. You've completed the initial setup process and are now ready to explore your fresh Windows 10 installation. Section 7, Data Restoration, bringing back your files. Remember that backup you made before starting this whole process? Now is the time to reap the benefits of your foresight. It's time to restore all your precious files and folders to their rightful place on your newly reloaded Windows 10. If you backed up to an external hard drive, simply connect it to your computer. Open File Explorer and you should see your external drive listed alongside your other drives. Double-click to open it and browse to the location where you saved your backup. Select the files and folders you want to restore and copy them to the desired location on your computer's hard drive. For those who opted for the cloud storage route, the process is even easier. Simply download and install the cloud storage app you used for backup like OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Sign into your account and you'll see all your backed up files and folders. You can either choose to sync specific folders to your computer or download individual files as needed. As your files are being copied or downloaded, take this opportunity to organize them. Create new folders, rename files, and get your digital life in tip-top shape. Remember, a clean install is a perfect chance for a fresh start, even when it comes to file organization. Section 8, the device driver dilemma, updating for optimal performance. You've reloaded Windows, restored your data, and everything seems to be running smoothly. But wait, don't forget about those unsung heroes working behind the scenes, your device drivers. These little pieces of software are crucial for ensuring your hardware components like your graphics card, printer, and sound card communicate correctly with your operating system. After a clean install, it's essential to update your device drivers to ensure everything is functioning at its best. Thankfully, Windows 10 makes this process relatively painless. Windows Update, your built-in update manager, often takes care of driver updates automatically. To check for driver updates manually, open the Device Manager. You can usually find this by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, you'll see a list of all the hardware components connected to your computer. Double-click on a category to expand it and see the individual devices. Right-click on a device and select Update Driver to check for the latest drivers. If updates are found, follow the on-screen prompts to install them. In some cases, you might be redirected to the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers manually. Updating your drivers ensures your hardware can take full advantage of your fresh Windows installation. This translates to smoother performance, fewer compatibility issues, and optimal functionality for all your devices. Don't neglect these essential software components. Section 9. Enjoy your reloaded PC, the benefits of a fresh start. Congratulations, you did it. You successfully navigated the world of operating system reloads and emerged victorious with a clean, fast, and happy Windows 10 computer. Take a moment to bask in the glory of your accomplishment. You deserve it. Remember that sluggishness you used to experience? Gone. Those pesky error messages that haunted your every move? Banished. Your computer is now a lean, mean computing machine ready to tackle any task you throw at it. But the benefits of a clean install go beyond just speed and stability. It also provides an excellent opportunity to break bad digital habits. Did you have a tendency to download and install every app that crossed your path? Now's the time to be more selective and only install the software you truly need. This minimalist approach will keep your system running smoothly for longer. Furthermore, a fresh start is a chance to review your security settings and ensure your digital life is adequately protected. Make sure you have a strong password for your user account and enable essential security features like Windows Defender Firewall and Windows Security. So go ahead, explore your revitalized computer, enjoy the snappy performance, the absence of clutter, and the peace of mind that comes with a clean, secure, and up-to-date system. You've earned it.